Okay. Motion in plane. Question number 4.1. 4.1. So fourth chapter, first question. 4.1. 4.2. 4.3. 4.3. These are all theory questions, but it's a part of a one-word question. 4.3, 4.4, 4.4, 4.5, 4.4, 4.5, 4.5, 4.7, 4.7, after 4.5, 4.7, 4.8. So this is problems. 4.8 and I have given in that problem in the worksheets, that one. 4.8, 4.9, 4.9, then 4.11, 4.11, then 4.12, 4.12, 4.13, 4.13, 4.15, 4.15, 4.16, 4.16, 4.17, 4.18, 4.18, 4.19, 4.19, 4.20, 4.20, that is 4.20, 4.21, 4.21, 4.24. After 4.21, you have 4.24, 4.26, 4.27, and 4.31. So one chapter itself, lot of things to study. So that is what I did not give you on one more chapter. Okay. So next chapter, after that, sir may give you MCQ term. So in that we will consider.
Ma'am, after 4.8, which question?
4.8. After 4.8, 4.9. Then 4.11. Okay. So afterwards we will have MCQ or exam alone. That time we will give the next chapter, so that at least once you will be studying every chapter. So I don't want to give 2 chapters. It become too much for you after studying everything. Whatever you study, study well. So after all, 10 one word, 1 2 mark, 1 3 mark, 1 5. So one chapter is enough, I think. Okay. Yes. So that is about you, your coming exam. That is November 23rd onwards. Clear? Okay. Okay, children. So shall we now continue with our lessons? So vertical motion definition equation is given. And also we found out how can you find out acceleration? How can you find out acceleration? And once you find out acceleration, it is easy for us to find out the tension. Okay. So I'm not going to the derivation over there. I just give you the next equation under that. I just give you next equation under that. So those who written vertical motion, under that, please write this one. Therefore, tension is equal to, I am not giving you the derivation, how to get that. Already we have found out how can you find out acceleration. Therefore, tension is equal to M1, sorry, 2M1, 2M1 2m1 m2g divided by m1 plus m2. So from this equation, we also can calculate tension. So you don't have to go for the derivation. Once you find the acceleration, substitute this equation and find out the total tension on the vertical motion. So because total tension is acting instead of normal reaction force. Okay? Yeah. Okay, children. So now we are moving on to next one. Horizontal motion. That means suppose an object is on the table. When you pull it, what going to happen? The next is horizontal motion. Second case, horizontal motion. Horizontal motion, we have a small diagram. An object M1 pulled. So this is always come a pulling ways, pulling on a table, and there will be a pulley, and under that there is a weight M2. So the force which is acting here M2G, it is the pull, and here also we have tension. Okay, when object is pulled in this side, okay, if you pull this object, there will be tension this direction. At the same time, at this point it is a vertical. This is horizontal, but at this point is vertical. So this is weight force is acting, but in this case tension force is opposite. So here also tension, because since it's the same thread, it is the same thread, but what is the difference here? Because of this weight, if this weight is supposed to pull this direction, naturally there is a tension force in this direction. Similarly, when this object is pulling this way, there is a tension in opposite direction. This is vertical and horizontal, but total we can have it as a horizontal motion. So this is a situation. So this is can be a situation in that case. Okay. And acceleration also in this direction, and here acceleration also in this direction, because it is in the direction of gravitational force. Object is moving in the direction of gravitational force. So acceleration is same. Okay. So we can write the introduction part. Consider a mass m1 consider mass m1 is attached to one end. Same cases, inextensible thread, because it will not be expanded after pulling. Inextensible string and placed on a smooth table. So smooth table means frictional force also not much. Okay, so that is why inextensible string and placed on a smooth table. The string, next case, the string is passed over a frictionless pulley. So here also we are not considering the frictional force. Frictionless pulley, passed over a frictionless pulley, and a mass M2 is connected to another end. Another end. Okay. So that is the introduction part. Now we are just considering, suppose the system is made free. Naturally, if you just release this, naturally this mass will be pulled this entire object. Everything is, and it will come down. So we are considering, suppose in an isolated system, when all these forces only, no other forces are acting on it, gravitational force and the tensional force is there. Okay, so naturally what will happen? Once it is release it, this through the pulley, this mass m1 also fall. It will come in the direction and it get accelerated. Therefore, we can write next slide. Let A is the acceleration. A is the acceleration. Let A is the acceleration by which the mass m2 moves down with an acceleration. Already we have written, no need of mentioning acceleration. Mass moves down and m1 moves horizontally. Horizontally where? On the table. So when this first object, second object started moving, naturally m1 also moves. So we are just considering that system. We are not considering they are falling. We are not considering all the masses are falling. We are just telling it is moving. So we are not taking the condition of an objects are moving, falling here, just moving. Okay. So that is the one. Okay, did you complete, children?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you read
Okay,
after M2 moves down and M1?
M1 moves horizontally. M1 moves horizontally on the table. M1
Okay,
moves horizontally on the table.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So, in the given table, we are just considering only one direction motion. We are not considering M1 is going this way. Okay. So, we only just consider when M2 moves, M1 also moves. Now, what we are going to do? Vertical motion we are taking, both the sides are different branch and then we are balancing it. Same thing here, but same thing how do you take? Horizontal separate, vertical motion separate. So the previous vertical motion, we take it both the sides separate. Similarly, we have to get equation on horizontal direction and equation in vertical direction. So if you first we consider horizontal direction, M1. So M1 is pulled. There is no arrow is indicated. It is in opposite direction is moving. So that means friction is, we are not considering the friction. If there is a friction, then naturally there is a force which is acting in opposite direction. But in the diagram, it is not mentioned. That means it only comprises of M1 and T. Okay. So can you tell me what will be the total net force acting on M1 at this branch? This is separate, this branch. When it started moving, what happened to this branch? Which is the total force? Acceleration is same because same thread is moving. Can you tell me? Anyone? Ashwin? Anthony? All of you? Are you on the board? Okay. Punya, can you just suggest what will be here in this case?
Tension.
Only tension. So only tension is present. There is no counter force here. Counter force is here. In which direction? Only this direction. So here there is counter force, but there is no direction. So the net force acting on M1, we can just write M1A is equal to T. That is equation 1. Because it is on the table, it is not even falling. It is telling in, it is just moving on the table. So we don't have to consider gravitational force in that case. That is equation 1. Now, net force on M2. Yes. Net force on M2. Yes, Evelyn, you have idea. How can you frame the equation in that? Same condition we have studied in the previous one. Lift is coming downward. Pulley is coming downward. When it is downward, who will be greater? So if you look at the picture, again, look at the picture, how many forces are acting? Krishna Chandran, hello, can you come on video please, Krishna? Krishna Chandran, you just come and go. Is there any problem you are facing? Yes. Can you tell me which are the two forces acting in this branch by looking at this diagram, Krishna Chandran? Just give me the name of the forces which is mentioned in that.
Tension.
Tension is there. Okay. Tension in one direction. Opposite to that, which one is there?
Gravity.
Gravitational force. So we can frame. All of you just go through that the previous section. When object is coming down, what is our equation is going to be? Can you suggest? Because
T
every time I am
minus
only
T minus G.
M2G minus tension. Correct only, no? Because sound is so feeble. You have any problem with your mic? Those are saying your sound I am hearing very feeble. Let me see in the board. It is maximum. Can you repeat who are saying that? Can you repeat?
Ma'am, I said T minus G.
Okay, M2G minus, what did you say?
No, I said opposite.
Opposite. Why did you say opposite? Achyut, in which direction the body is moving? In which direction it is moving? Coming down, no?
Downwards.
Downward. Who will be greater when it is coming downward?
Downward.
Okay. Lift case also, just to see lift case, everyone just go through. Same thing only we have written, no? Mg minus T. That only here. The previous vertical motion also we have done here. So whenever object is coming down, that gravitational force, weight force will be greater. Okay. Weight force will be greater than tension. Here, new Bhaiya is making crackers here, just like Lakshman Bhaiya. Pigeons are falling, so I just show. Okay. That's going on. Burning crackers by the new Bhaiya, not Lakshman Bhaiya, other Bhaiya. Okay. So that's it. So correct. So you understand whenever object is coming, which is coming because of the weight. So weight should be greater than the other force. When it is going up, who will be greater? The first one. Normal reaction force or tension force. Just keep that in your mind, okay? Then it will be very easy for you. M2G is equal to minus T. That is also is equal to our acceleration equation. That is M2A. Equation A. Now what is the next step? 1 is T minus T. So you can just cancel, no? So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equal to TT get cancelled. You are getting M1A, M2G, this. Okay. So we can write it right. A is equal to. So M2G is equal to m1a plus m2a. m1a plus m2a. Acceleration is very common. So this equation you can write m1 plus m2. Then we will get equation for acceleration. So acceleration is equal to g by m2g. Just cross multiply. You will get, sorry, not g, sorry. Acceleration you are getting as m2g m1 plus m2. Okay, so in this case you can find the acceleration by equation m2g by m1 m plus 2. By substituting tension equation, same equation you substitute in this. So you will get tension is equal, I'm not going to do that step, just copy down. m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 m2g. So what we do, this acceleration put in the first equation, then you will get tension like this. Okay, so we have completed acceleration and tension finding in the case of horizontal and vertical motion. So we'll do one problem based on it. Okay, we'll do one problem based on it. Lift we have done. So two masses, 20 kg and 25 kg, two masses, 20 kg and 25 kg are connected by an inextensible and two masses 20 kg and 25 kg are connected by an inextensible string and passed over a frictionless pulley Find the acceleration of the system. Find the acceleration of the system and tension along the string. Bracket it is given, take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, children. So this is from which equation? Not about the table, the last one. Last classes we have done, no, vertical motion, that equation. So everything is given, it's a direct question. All of you do it by yourself. Let me see whether you are going to get the answer or not. Acceleration is given equation in the vertical motion. Vertical motion equation is, I am just giving equation, you just substitute and get me answer. M2 minus M1 G is equal to M1 plus M2. So this is the vertical motion. Because in the question, the pulley is passed over. That means it is not the present case what we have learned. It's clear, understood. And instead of 9.8, we have to use G. So it is going to be little more easy for you. Please find out, all of you, it's a direct question and one word question. Okay. So you have to learn this equation and do it. Please do. Everyone on the video? Anyone wanted to see the board again? Do you want to see the board again, children? Oh, did you complete it?
No.
Yes. M1 is given. M1 is given 20 kg. M2 is given 25 kg. G is 10. Just do this problem. Did you get, children? Have you completed, all of you? It should be fast enough because in the exam also you should get that speed. Okay. Nevin, did you get answer first one? Do? Achud, I think Achud is completed. Punya completed. Samar, Priya, did you complete? Vidur? Did you complete? First one you will get 50 by 45. Simple, no? First divide with the 5. Then you will get the answer very faster. 50 by 45. Acceleration. Yes. So, acceleration we get 25 minus 20 into 10 divided by 25 plus 10. 25 minus 20 into 10.
1.11
Yes, correct. 1.11 meter per second square. Yes. Then T. T 2 into 20 into 25 into 10 by same 45. 25 plus 10, you get 45. How much you got it? 45, 25 cancelled.
2000 by 9.
2000 by 9. Okay. Make it that decimal. 2000 by 9.
222.22.
Ah, yes, correct. It's a recurring number. 222 point. Since tension is a force, so what is the unit?
Newton.
Yes, correct. Okay. So it's the tension and this is the unit. Another problem I'll give you, but I don't think we will be able to complete it. Can you do by yourself? And let me know the next class. I think today we don't have class again. Let us just copy that question and just do by yourself. Okay. Every equation is given. Let us see how much you can do as a homework. A horizontal force of 600 Newton pulls two masses. Because equation, you know, you can just identify it and then substitute. It's going to be easy for you. 30 kg connected, 30 kg connected by a string. The system is lying. So this is the today's case. Today what we have done. The system is lying on a frictionless table. So here we are ignoring the friction. Frictionless table. What is the tension? You have to find out the tension. What is the tension on the string? What is the? So here there is now nothing is pulling. Nothing is there. Only all that object is lying on the table. So you can have a rough sketch if you want. That is easy to identify how to apply. So let us have two different masses. So gradually, the greater mass may be pulling the smaller mass. So that is what you have to identify. So greater mass is 30 kg. Nothing else. And what is the question? Pull 20 kg, 3 connected by a string, a horizontal force. That means total force pulling by the object. Both the object is pulled by 600 Newton. Okay. So pulling in this direction. So we can write it that M2 is pulling M1. So there is a tension force acting in this direction, that is acceleration. By the time M2 is pulling, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction force. Therefore, M1 also pulling the M2. That is the tension. Okay. So M2 is pulling M1. That is not the tension. M1 is in turn is pulling the M2. So that is the tension. Okay. So tension force will be in by the object M1, and on the basis you have to tell me. The greater mass. So in this case there is no two cases. So we just consider first mass experiencing force as first branch, and second force is pulling. Second mass is pulling the first mass. Take it as another branch. Okay. So far we got two different branches, but here we have to make a branch. Then only you will get it. You have to get two equations. One is M1. M1 alone is one system. M2 alone is another system. Okay. So M2 is tension is pulling, tension is in the direction of M1. That means M2 is pulling M1. So total force on M1 will be tension. And with that, how it is? It's acceleration. Did you complete, children? Now think and do it. Okay, think and do the problem. Very simple. Equation is given. Just identify who is T, who is this. By looking at the picture and the arrow, you know who is T and who is greater and all. And okay. And another thing, so many children are asking me, ma'am, whether should I write about inventions. So I just close this recording. I think you didn't get the actual